Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now, a two sitting we're going to talk about, you see me? That's a Jamaican term. When we say two things we're going to talk about right about now, you see me? One is of a pastor that is in the dancehall with the dancehall fans, partying with the dancehall people them. You see me? I say, that's one big talk right now on social media where everybody are talk. You see me? I say, because that's a pastor in a dancehall, a party in a dance. Alright, the second one is of, you know, a new sensation, a new social media sensation, I should say. She named Candy. We're going to talk about that one day too, you see me I say, because she out there right now like a mackerel style and so. Water with wow, you see me? Anyways, you don't know the Dancehall Skilla now around for sure what going on social media, you see me I say, so stay tuned because the first thing we're going to talk about is the pastor in the dancehall party, a party with everybody. So I'm going to show you some pieces of video put together here now. I want you to take a look on them and tell me what you think. Observe.
So they ask me about the city of Jamaica, I don't know what people tourists go and dance, you know what I mean? Sorry, I don't know. Yes, you can do. Variation in our head. No man, that place. What the rise up? I really like to the people. I look this side down this stuff. Show the bigger yourself. So the microphone the pastor.
Bless up to the people and listen to the pastor. You don't know that no calling out on church, but to bring the church to the same, you know. God love the people everywhere. Listen to the people who love God. Listen to the people who love God. All them a talk and still a say threat. Some things you want it, never say yes. I've been through the fire, tough tears and sweat. Nothing but to one, don't give up, yeah. I got them in Boston, I've been way major. I know for them seven, I know the area. But it's how we come to tell Jamaica. Who more than them, give up the way, baby. Try to make fast.
Why not bless from them? That's what it was for us. Bless you here. Let's do fire.
Viewers and subscribers, this are not every day something where you see us saying. You see me? This is something where really and truly tap the scale with Jamaica right about now. You see me? This shows of a pastor leave and going in the dancehall, right? In the party and preach to the people about the word of God. You see me? This shows of a pastor that don't look on people about worldly and this and segregate himself from them with certain things. You see me? This is really a different thing. Because I'm going to tell you something right about now. You see, this way see the pastor do, a whole lot of people, you know, I go point fingers and say certain things towards what I'm doing. You know, me know enough people are going to say that. Because when I read on social media, right? Me hear social media, I can't, no, not here. Me read and see some things that social media say. To be honest, it really and truly surprised me with some of the things that social media say. Instead of a negative comment, you know, a pure positive comment, me see come out of it. You see me? It's like persons that say, Pastor, where you do a good thing, you know, you go amongst the people them and you know deal with it like say, true use this or that. You know, like you go segregate yourself. No. Instead, you try to spread the word of God. One person that say, yes, pastor, go in at the dance and go take them out of the dance. And enough of them need to come at church. Some comments will come in on that thing. It's a good thing. You see me? Trust me. But hold on. I never explain to you still which part and certain things. You see me? Now, I gotta explain because a lot of persons coming like, you know, through them know. When you explain them, I say, boy, you don't have to explain because me know already. But you have to realize that a lot of persons watch the Dancehall Skilla where they are not Jamaicans. You understand? So you telling them will give them a better idea what is what I support. You see me? Now, this pastor got into a party where them call Uptown Mondays. You see me? Uptown Mondays is a party where keep on a regular basis where, you know, people come hang out like a chilling spot to a certain hour. Sometimes it goes straight to the morning, who knows, you know, but majority of the time, you know, so it's a whole night thing. You see me? That's Uptown Monday. And it all depends on what go on during the time. If police say lock off or if police say yo curfew or whatever. But that's not the point, you see me? And there is something else I notice where the whole social media and I look at, you know. What if this man is not a real pastor? What if it is a trick? The man a trick the crowd just to get a little flame, you know, a little fame, or if you just, you know, make a little name out there. You get to me, I say to you, what if he's not a real pastor? You understand? Me not say him not real, you know, but what if he's not a real pastor? You see me, I say, cause anybody can wear a clothes and say them a pastor in the place, you see me? But at this they on social media right now. Oh yeah, Uptown Monday is a place to pull up a beer celebrities and them thing then. Like, you see me, because if you look from the starting of the video, you will see a celebrity where world renowned. See me I say? Well, world renowned. Well, anyways, we're going to move on right about now, you see me? And this one we're going to talk about is of a lady that do some style when named Water Wow. You see me? She said that with wow, water with wow, everything with wow. You see me I said to you? Then call her Candy. And you know what I respect about social media bill you and social media also can not bill you too. If you get what I mean. You see me I say, but right about now, Candy are the new, you know, person where everybody look what going right now. I mean, not telling a lie, she look really entertaining. So take a look on Candy right about now. You see me? Observe.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Dirty dance. Whoa.
Can I get a whoa? Can I get a whoa?
X-rated.
Whoa!
Candy. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know some Dancehall Skilla. I'm going to bring you the hottest thing we're going right about now on social media. So I said to you, Candy that, you know, that's Candy you're looking at. You see me? Water with wow, Gussa with wow, look here with wow, you don't know wow. Hey, me not tell you, me not tell you lie still no. Candy big up yourself, you see me? Me not tell you lie, you know, me love how you do the thing, you're entertaining, you know. Dirty dirt. So me I say, that style and the wow style really and truly will take over the place. You see me? And for the pastor, me not tell you like pastor, me rate and respect what the pastor man do, you know. Me know so some persons might disagree with what he do because of the whole dancehall thing when going on, but at the same time, him not try to prove anything, him just want to spread the word and me respect that. You see me I say, so people who make me know to think about these two things. You see me I say, Candy, is she entertaining, and what the pastor do, is it that him wrong or right? You know what I mean? You just tell me what to think about this. You see me I say, And as always, you don't know, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. And don't forget, some of the times you need to read the comments, because some of the times my viewers and subscribers will leave some comments that is very informative, as well as me, Dancehall Skilla, will say something that will update on each video to what I post to you, my viewers and subscribers. That's it. Anyways, until the next time, I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, yeah, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, it. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.